The Magic Cauldron. Once there lived a poor woodcutter near a forest. Every day he went into the forest, cut wood, and took it to the city to sell. Along with this work, he would also dig the ground with the hope that someday he might find a treasure and his life would change. With this hope, he always carried a shovel and an axe with him into the forest. One day, while digging the ground in search of treasure, he suddenly saw a very large cauldron. Seeing it, he became very happy and thought to himself, "It seems there must be some treasure hidden inside this cauldron. That's why someone buried it near a tree in the forest." He happily went toward the cauldron to put his hand inside and see the treasure. When he put his hand into the cauldron, he found that it was completely empty inside. In anger, he picked up the cauldron and placed it behind a tree. He continued digging the ground for some time in search of treasure, but found nothing. Frustrated, he threw his axe near the tree, and, tired and worn out, sat down nearby. Suddenly, his eyes fell on the cauldron. He saw that the axe had fallen into it, and now there were 100 axes inside the cauldron. He was very surprised to see this. At the same time, he realized that this was not an ordinary cauldron, but a magical one. Only a magical cauldron could turn one axe into 100. Happily, he picked up the cauldron and brought it home. The woodcutter hid the cauldron in a room. At night, to test the magical cauldron again, he put a mango into it. After a short while, when he looked inside, there were 100 mangoes in the cauldron. Now he was completely convinced that it was truly a magical cauldron. He began taking out gold coins and other valuable items from the cauldron and selling them, and soon he became rich. After becoming wealthy, he helped other poor people. Whenever a poor person came to him, he never sent them away empty-handed. Because of this, he became famous throughout the country for his generosity. Stories of his sudden wealth and the magical cauldron spread everywhere. Eventually, news of the magical cauldron reached the king of that country. The king was very greedy. Even though he already had a great deal of treasure, he desired even more. He thought that if he got this cauldron, his treasure would increase further. With this thought, the king ordered that the woodcutter and his cauldron be brought to the palace. The servants went and carried out the king's order, bringing the woodcutter along with the cauldron to the palace. The king took the cauldron from the woodcutter and began to examine it. Suddenly, he lost his balance and his foot fell into the cauldron. Because of the magical cauldron, 100 kings appeared. Among these identical 100 kings, only one was the real king. The rest were magical. All of them began fighting each other out of greed for the cauldron. In this way, they killed one another because of their desire for the magical cauldron. And due to greed, even the real king did not survive. The woodcutter quietly picked up his magical cauldron and returned home with it. Dear children, greed is a bad thing. If someone has something better than you, do not be jealous of them. Instead, be thankful for whatever you have.